Hey now, and happy weekend. I'm Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I actually have two charts that I think are worth adding to your watch list this weekend. The first one is Dollar General, ticker DG. You can see Dollar General had quite a fall from grace here in April. Came all the way down to that 184 zone, but retraced the move and is now consolidating near the highs. The second stock I want to show you is BJ's Wholesale Club. Same kind of thing. Look at this. From April down to the lows, retrace the move, and is back to the highs. And so these stocks are set up, in my opinion, pretty nicely for potentially a retest of the highs. On Dollar General, we can see we are above all the major moving averages here. And I told members today at StockMarketMentor.com, today maybe you could take a starter position along these moving averages as long as the stock holds above that 21-day EMA. But I think the real move will come with a breakout above that 256.50 level. And so I'm going to set an alert on Dollar General right below 256.50, and I'll look for a strong move on volume through that level. Same kind of setup here on BJ's. Now, some of us over at StockMarketMentor.com took a position either yesterday or today in BJ's because it has the same chart pattern. It's consolidating near some highs. Today, BJ's had a really nice move off that daily 8 exponential period moving average, and I don't think it's too late to get involved if we get a strong move through 71.26 coming on volume. Now, earlier this week, I did talk about BJ's as a potential setup to watch, and now I think it's primed for a breakout if we can get above and stay above and do it on volume. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and you should check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Really easy to do it if you're watching this on YouTube. Look in the description, click the link, and I'll see you on the other side.